There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, so today's video guys, oh my god, is going to be different. You are going to learn from it and you are going to enjoy it. Okay, so hope you guys are doing fine. As for me, Sexyosas, I'm doing pretty fine guys. And for my whole subscribers, oh my goodness, may God Almighty continue to bless you all. And if you subscribe right now, you are welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much, and may God Almighty continue to bless you all. You guys are so amazing. As you can see my face, I'm so tired. Let me show you what I used to remove my makeup so before going to bed. So let me show you what I used to treat this entire face of mine. Okay guys, so guys, this is the first thing I used to wipe my face. Charcoal cleaning wiper, you know, it's very good. I love it so much. And I also use rose water and face wash guys. So this is going to shock you. This is palm oil. Yes guys, it's very good. I'll be adding little into this. So guys, this face wash and and this is my face cream, you know. And this little one is the powerful one guys. I use it to remove all my dark spots, you know. It's very good. You can also try it. It's good. All these my pimples are removal. So this is Holo glue, and this is my vitamin. So right now I'm going to be adding little palm oil into this little cup of mine. Yeah, so I will first of all wipe my face with this wiper, you know. So that is it guys. It's very good. I love it so much. It doesn't leave me any dot or tashes. I don't know what you call it, little pimples. So it's very good. When it comes to removing your makeup, this charcoal wiper is the best for you guys. It's really good. Yes, I love it so much. When you are using it, it will remove everything so easily. You don't need to struggle with it. So right now guys, I'm going to be applying my palm oil. This palm oil, oh my goodness, it's so good. It removes all the dead skin. I don't know what to say guys. Yeah, it makes your face to be smooth, and it prevents pimples from your face, you know. It's very good. We all know what palm oil does, you know. We love palm oil so much. When you want to cook, palm oil is always the best. Yes, I'm telling you. So right now guys, I'm going to be leaving this for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes I will wipe it off. All right, you can see now I'm wiping it off right now. You see my face, you see the way it changes, because it's so good. Try it out. Palm oil is good if you have pimples or those dark spots, those dark pimples inside the skin. With this palm oil, everything will just be pulling out. Yeah, it's very good. So right now, this little towel here is warm water. So I'm going to be adding my face wash into it. Yeah, to use it to wipe my face, to clean my face very well. Normally I supposed to wash it with my face wash, you know. Since I'm filming it, I just have to show you how to do it guys. So I will be turning the other side to wipe my face again. You understand that? Yeah. You see the way my face looks, very smooth and beautiful. Yeah. You see, my face just changed. This is not the first you saw at the beginning. Am I right? Oh yes. So that is it guys. So right now I'm going to be wasting it again. You know, this is it. So wipe it the second time. Alright, so that is just it guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you. I really appreciate you. All you guys are so amazing. I can't do without you guys, you know. You have to continue supporting your girl. So right now guys, I'm going to be using my rose water to clean my face very, very, very well to make sure nothing is in my face. Okay, so this camera is really putting as in side dark on my face. I don't really have anything there. I don't understand this camera today. All right, guys, you can see there's nothing there, so I will be using my Holo Glow oil to moisturize my skin, guys, my face. Leave that English. So I will just use it to massage it. I don't know how to put the word, to rub it, okay, so let's say it that way. So to make sure my face is moisturized and everything is so good. Okay, that is it, guys. You all know your baby girl love good things. I really know how to give myself a good treat, guys. So this thing is just to use it to massage your face, to let your blood flow very well, after applying so many things on your face, guys. This is what I do to my face. So that is it, guys. So right now, right here, I'm going to be using my vitamin C, okay, to make my face succulent. I don't know what to say, guys. So that is it. So I will just go ahead to massage it, to rub it all over my face. You see, my face is so glowing. All right, okay. So if you want to know the kind of cream I'm using, you go to Osa's fashion page. Okay, go there, go and see what cream I'm using. All right, let me put it that way. So you can see my face is so clear right now. Everything is so good. So this is my pimples remover. Let me put it that way. So I always mix it with my face cream. Okay, so to make sure nothing will affect my face later. Anything coming to attack this face, that little carotone will just do the work for me, to block it. So right now I'm using my lips balm to make sure I go to bed well. So this is what made me to fall asleep so fast. So that is it, guys. As you can see, everything is so good, beautiful, so try it and see how your face will look like. That will be all for this video. Hope you enjoy my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, hit the notification bell if you want to be seeing more of my videos. All right, so leave me a comment on what you think about the palm oil. All right, so I want to know what you think about it. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you. I don't really know how to appreciate you all. I don't know, but all I have to say thank you. You guys are so amazing. You're amazing. Hey, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. All right, guys, keep on supporting Sexyosas, okay? And I'm always ready to give you what you want. Okay, guys, see you on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. All right, kisses. Bye.
Much to